Hello Binance lovers, I'm Emre Atta. I'm here with a new video. Today, Binance listed a new project called CHIP. CHIP has a total supply of 10 billion and 2 billion is currently in circulation. It genuinely appears to be a project with significant potential. But be careful during these times. We are currently in a bear cycle. At least the statistics show this. There isn't much money in the market, but new money is coming in. During these times, those holding coins, crypto, or tokens see these kinds of listings as a lifeline. Shortly, I will demonstrate how to open an account on Binance with a referral code, a 20% cashback referral code, how to create an account, how to verify KYC, how to make the first deposit, and most importantly, why you're here, is how to trade CHIP. I'll cover all of these, and I will also share my personal insights. Additionally, with these types of listings, what I've been through before, I'll try to tell you about these. I've been in this sector for 7 years. I've seen many new coins and projects, seen tokens, seen coins, and regarding these, I have good and terrible experiences. Okay, let's get to the video. Yes, this is exchangereferralcodes.com, my website. Language is here. On this website, you will find information about cryptocurrency industry, referral codes, informations, new listing coins, tokens. Now, I want to show you how to buy and sell CHIP crypto, CHIP token, CHIP coin. Now, we need to create account on Binance Global. On this video info section, there is a link and here some banner. If you want, click this banner. If you want, click that link. We clicked. On the screen, you must see first my code here, my name here. With this code, up to 20% trade rebates and plus up to $600 new user bonus waiting for you. Fill this form with Google account, Apple account, or Telegram account, or with email or phone. After create account, complete your account creating on Binance. Yes, now we are in Binance Global first page. Now we must complete KYC approval. You can use your passport, identity card, or your living permit card. It's so easy, 30 seconds or 1 minute. After, first deposit in mobile phone and desktop same. Click here, select your currency. After, deposit USD or buy with USD. Easy way, I want to show you. If you want, you will buy with easy steps with GPay, Apple Pay, Visa card, MasterCard. First, you should add your debit card information here. After, select here USD for example, and after CHIP. Yes, CHIP here. Click CHIP. For example, we want to invest 1,000 USA dollar. With 1,000 USA dollar, we will get CHIP like that. And click buy CHIP. For example, CHIP raised 2 cents. This is not trade advice. For selling, click sell button and click here sell CHIP. So easy. Now, I want to show you how to buy and sell CHIP in marketplace. Firstly, we need some stable coin. For example, I want to show you USDC or USDT. For example, Tether, USDT. Firstly, we will add again our debit card or card information here. 1,000 USDT we want buy. Click buy. Yes, now we bought USDT. Let's go to market area. Click market here. Here is a search coin name, CHIP. CHIP came here, you see, and click trade area, mobile and desktop same. Click here. This is CHIP USDT trade page. Red colors sellers, green colors buyers. This is current price. So we have 1000 USA dollar. We want to buy. Click here. First place after current price. 1000 and click buy chip. With 1000 we will get chip like that. When we want to sell, for example, chip raised 2 cents. This is not trade advice, just I giving example. 2 cents, for example. Click sell chip. So easy, buying and selling. This is information place. Supply now on sector in market 2 billion chip and maximum supply 10 billion chip. You see, information about chip, finance, AI and DeFi. Okay friends, chip is traded like this. First I'll give you this information, then regarding chip, or rather regarding the market and these types of listings, I will present my own experiences to you. First, don't forget to follow Binance's official channels, social media accounts like the X account. Besides that, it could be the Telegram account. Make sure you follow closely. This way, you will be among the first to be informed about new listings and new news. Now, I want to move to this. In periods of new listings like these, when liquidity is low in the market, traders, particularly those engaged in daily trading, can see these as a life preserver. The money in the vault is low. Bear market. People are spending, but they can't put money back in. The money they invested has gone down, prices have dropped. It has started to fall. Therefore, they want to capture a significant price surge. During these periods, a substantial inflow of capital can occur into coins that are newly listed, demonstrate resilience, and subsequently exhibit an upward momentum. We have seen this in the past. This one enters, that one enters, others join, some sell their coins to enter. Those entering with cash participate. Consequently, these newly listed cryptocurrencies have the potential to increase in value. In this way, you can multiply your capital 2 or 3-fold, but you can also experience losses of 2 to 3 times your capital. This is absolutely not investment advice. I'm sharing my own experiences here. During these kinds of listings, throughout my 7-year journey in this field, I've been involved at least 30 to 35 times, maybe more. I don't remember the exact number, but I was there. In half of these, I made good money. In the other half, I lost money. That's definite. I'm an honest person. When I make a profit, I state that I made a profit. When I lose, I state that I lost. Therefore, in these times, in volatile markets with ups and downs, I advise caution when investing. Please go to Binance's Academy pages, learn about technical terms and how people trade in these times, what the expansion of these trades is. Learn these, okay? In this video, as best as I could, as much as I could tell you, I have shown you how to buy and sell chip on Binance Global. If you liked the video, you can click the like button. You can subscribe to the channel. Sincerely.